First things first, what exactly is high blood pressure? It's a medical term for when the force against artery walls exceeds normal levels. This condition, also known as hypertension, can be harmful. Unchecked, it can potentially cause severe health complications, including heart diseases and stroke. But don't worry, because prevention starts with understanding. Now, let's talk prevention. One of the most effective ways to manage high blood pressure is through lifestyle modifications. It begins with the food you consume. A nutrient-rich diet, abundant in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can significantly influence your blood pressure. Be sure to monitor your sodium intake. Ideally, it should not exceed 2,300 milligrams daily. A popular dietary plan known as the DASH diet, an acronym for Dietary Approaches to Stop Hypertension, is often recommended. It encourages intake of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and low-fat dairy while minimizing red meat, sweets, and sugary beverages. Diet is crucial, but it's not the only factor. Regular physical activity, stress management, and moderating alcohol consumption are other important elements of a healthy lifestyle. Abstaining from tobacco use also plays a critical role. Of course, diet isn't the only factor at play. Regular exercise, managing stress, limiting alcohol consumption, and avoiding tobacco are all essential components of a healthy lifestyle that can help prevent high blood pressure. Well, folks, that wraps up our guide on preventing high blood pressure and maintaining a healthy diet. A healthy lifestyle isn't just about diet, but also requires adequate sleep, regular exercise, and stress management. Minor changes in your daily routine can significantly impact your overall health. Eating balanced meals, reducing salt intake, avoiding processed foods, and staying well hydrated are some ways to manage blood pressure. Inculcating a proactive attitude towards health can lead to a substantial transformation. Remember, small changes can lead to big results when it comes to your health. So let's commit to making those positive choices together. Before we wrap up this enlightening journey, I'd like to remind you all to visit my YouTube channel for an abundance of health tips and guides. Making a positive change in your life starts with gaining the right knowledge, and what better way than to do it together? Please subscribe, hit the like button, and leave a comment about your experience with managing high blood pressure or any other health topics you'd like us to cover. Your support and engagement are what keep us motivated to produce more content that can help you live a healthier life. I'd like to take a moment to express my gratitude to all of you. Your continued support and feedback have been instrumental in our journey to promote health and wellness. Remember, your health is your wealth, and every step you take towards a healthier lifestyle is a step towards a wealthier life. So until our next video, keep up the good work, stay motivated, and remember to make those small but significant changes. See you in the next video.